Hello everyone, let's make a magic hat today. Okay, first delete this cube, pressing X and delete. Now take a circle. Okay, go to the edit mode by pressing tab. Now F to fill it, I using I. Now insert the faces. Now press 2 or go to the edge mode. Now E to extrude. Okay, press alt and select the edges and scale it. Okay, that's enough, I think. Yes. Okay, let's select these edges by pressing alt and left click. Now okay, scale it. Okay, press Ctrl R for the loop cut. Okay, another loop cut. Okay, select the faces, I to insert, M. Okay, that's good. Okay. Now go to viewport shading and go to the object mode. Okay, now let's go add a modifier. Let's use solidify for thickness. Okay, press 1. Okay, press 1, 0 0.02, 0.02. Okay, okay, solidify. Now use bevel modifier. Bevel modifier offset 0 point segment of 4 should be enough. Okay, 4 should be enough, I guess. 4 or 3. Okay. 4 should be enough. This 3 should be enough. Okay, this is only 5 one. Okay, now edge, go to the subdivision surface. Okay, for smoothness. Okay, press 2. Yeah. Okay, already smooth. Let's go to the shading tab. Okay, now use principle, go to base color. Okay, make it black. Okay. Now go, let's, okay, okay, okay. Now select those faces by pressing alt and left click. Now go to the added material slot and assign it. Okay, now let's make it red. Okay, okay. I think everything is done. Now edit mode, top. Okay. Okay, go to the front section, press this G to grab. Okay. Go to the top view, select those. Okay, let's grab it. No, no. Okay, that will be enough. Okay. Go to top view. Okay, grab it. Okay, whatever. Okay, okay, select. Okay, activate those. Okay, now go to the layout mode. Okay, select shade is smooth. Okay. Now let's press cube, scale it. Okay, go to the edit mode, pressing those faces, select those faces and delete it. Okay, now grab it. Okay, yeah, oh no. Okay, grab it. Okay, now I'll select the camera. Press 0 in from the numpad. Okay, press N, view camera to selected, press N. Okay, okay, light, light. Okay, set location 3 minus 2 3. Okay. Okay, now ambient occlusion, screen space, refraction, the reflection. Okay, now select resolution 1280 by 720. Okay, press F12. Okay, okay, image, save as desktop. Let's save it in desktop. Okay, magic hat. Okay, thank you everyone to stay with me.